Hello YouTube world, time to go down and see what this fiesta is all about. Sorry about the hiccup. Well, it looks like a double layer trampoline. That could be fun. I don't know if they'd let me on it though, but who knows. This is the balloon pop. I've won a lot of these. Anyways, carry on. Looks a little sketchy. I have rode that though, so you most likely will survive. And that one's a miniature version. And away we go. Oh, yeah. Some ball roll games that I haven't played yet. But in here you can paint piggybacks. This is Holy Week Festival, the cruise. Oh, another balloon pops open. Right? More balloon pop. That one's on here as well. That's about the end of the carnival things. So, hope you enjoyed the video. Hit subscribe.